Dear students, until yesterday we have discussed example 12, page number 270, the topic which is depends upon exercise 6D. We have completed 12 examples. Let us going to discuss about example 14, 15, 16 today. Page number 279, page number 270, not 279, page number 270. Examples are there. Page number 270, example 13, 14, 15. We are handling the chapter Mathematics 1A, Trigonometry. Mathematics 1A, Trigonometry is going on. 13th question, page number 270. Question is that if A comma B comma C are non-zeros, A comma B comma C are non-zero real numbers. Non-zero real numbers and alpha comma beta be the solutions. Alpha comma beta solutions of equation. Solutions of equation A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to C. A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to C. Show that using this equation we need to prove that sin alpha plus sin beta. Show that sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to 2bc by a square plus b square, and second one, this is first bit, and the second bit is that sin alpha into sin beta is equal to c square minus a square by a square plus b square. We need to prove that sin alpha plus sin beta and sin alpha into sin beta. Given equation is in the form of a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c. Given equation I am writing. Given equation is a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c. We should get the equation in terms of sign, because we need to prove here sum of roots sin alpha plus sin beta in the quadratic expression, and here it is a product of roots in the quadratic expression. So now a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c is there. That implies a cos theta, keep a side, and b sin theta taken that side, it becomes c minus b sin theta. Now let us do squaring both sides. So it can be written as a square cos square theta is equal to c minus b sin theta whole square. C minus b sin theta whole square. We need to convert the cos square terms into sin terms. So cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. A square into 1 minus sin square theta is equal to c square minus 2bc sin theta plus b square sin square theta. That implies multiply here a square minus a square sin square theta is equal to c square minus 2bc sin theta plus b square sin square theta. That implies this a square sin square theta taken that side, it becomes this arrow and this arrow. Try to understand. I am writing here the sin square theta in same terms. So sin square theta a square taken that side, sin square theta into a square plus b square into sin square theta minus 2bc sin theta plus this a square taken that side, it becomes c square minus a square is equal to 0. So now taken common sin square theta within the brackets you can write here a square plus b square minus sin theta you write within the brackets 2bc plus c square minus a square is equal to 0. C square minus a square equal to 0. Sin square theta into a square plus b square minus sin theta into 2bc plus c square minus a square equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation in sin theta. Whenever a quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then we can calculate sin alpha and sin beta are roots already given. Using sin alpha, sin beta, sum of roots and product of roots should be calculated. Since I am writing here, since sin alpha comma sin beta are roots. Since sin alpha comma sin beta are roots, that implies a sum of roots. So sum of roots formula in quadratic equation minus b by a. The formula is minus b by a, which have learned in 10th class. So minus b by a means here this is a. This is coefficient of a. So I am writing as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 formula. So this is b and this is c. The formula of sum of roots is equal to minus b by a. So sin alpha plus sin beta. Sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to here minus b means 2bc by a square plus b square. And in next step you write product of roots. Product of roots is equal to the formula c by a. Capital C by capital M, maybe don't get confused. Here that this is capital A and this is capital B, ax square plus b, this is capital C. So now product of roots is sin alpha into sin beta is equal to c square minus a square by a square plus b square. So that is equal to c square minus a square by a square plus b square. So sin alpha plus sin beta, sum of roots we got, and sin alpha into sin beta product of roots we got. 12. Okay, students, successfully have completed this question, 13th question. So let us going to discuss about 14th question. Before going to discuss about 14th question, I am giving a work to you that same question. If A, B, C are non-zero numbers and alpha, beta the solutions of the equation A cos theta plus B sin theta equal to C. Same question. I am giving homework that. Homework that find cos alpha plus cos beta. Cos alpha plus cos beta and cos alpha into cos beta. Here A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to C we have taken, and C A cos theta kept aside left side and B sin theta taken this side. A cos theta is equal to C minus B sin theta we had written. For this one you should write as B sin theta take left side and C minus A cos theta take right side, and by squaring on both sides you get in a similar way you can calculate this question. So try to do the homework, friend. Depends upon this one. Homework given. Next question, 14th question. If theta is not odd multiple of pi by 2. If theta is not odd multiple of pi by 2. If theta is not odd multiple of pi by 2 and cos theta not is equal to minus 1 by 2, then prove that sin theta plus sin 2 theta, sin theta plus sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to tan theta. I think already we have discussed such type of question in sub-multiple angles. Tan theta by 2 we got the answer in previous model we have discussed. Now let us going to discuss about this sum. Sir, why he used to given like this? Theta is not odd multiple of pi by 2. Whenever theta is odd multiple of pi by 2, here example odd means 1 or 3 or anything. If odd means 1, simply you are taking. If it is tan theta, tan 90 is equal to infinity. Infinity you should not get. Infinity meaning itself is not defined. So you should not get the value in terms of not defined. And if cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2 here, cos theta is equal to, if you put minus 1 by 2 and 1 plus of minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 10, cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 10, minus 1 by 2, minus 1, 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Denominator should not get 0, that is very given. No need to worry about the given condition. And now take LHS. Simply take LHS. So the LHS is sin theta plus sin 2 theta. Sin theta plus sin 2 theta whole by, take like this. This is 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta plus cos theta. That is equal to sin theta plus, I said the formula submultiple angle formula sin 2 theta, formula 2 sin theta cos theta whole by 1 plus cos 2 theta formula 2 cos square theta. Everything I discussed in multiple submultiple angle concept. So 2 cos square theta plus simply this is cos theta. Now in the numerator you can take common the term sin theta. So it becomes 1 plus 2 cos theta whole by, in denominator you take common cos theta. First you write this one, whenever taken cos theta, in denominator this becomes 1 and this is 2 cos theta. So 1 plus cos 2 theta and 1 plus cos 2 theta get cancelled. Everyone knows that sin theta by cos theta is a fundamental formula, that is tan theta. So this is RHS. LHS we have taken, RHS we have proved. 14 sums completed. Let us going to discuss about 15th question, most IMP question. Most IMP 4 marks or 7 marks question, mathematics 1A, trigonometry chapter. Fifteenth one, prove that sin power 4 pi by 8. There is no condition regarding this question, odd multiple, even multiple like that. Any condition we did not give. We should prove that whatever the value he given in terms of sin, everything in terms of sin he given, sin power 4 pi by 8 plus sin power 4 3 pi by 8 plus sin power 4 5 pi by 8 plus sin power 4 7 pi by 8 is equal to 3 by 2. Sin power 4 pi by 8 plus sin power 4 3 pi by 8 plus sin power 4 5 pi by 8 plus sin power 4 7 pi by 8 is equal to 3 by 2. We need to prove. Here this is pi by 8 is there. Regarding this sine concept, let us remember the formula that sin 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. This is the formula. According to all silver teacups, second quadrant concept sin theta is positive, and in terms of 180 and 360, that the trigonometric functions will not be changed. So simply sin 180 minus theta we got sin theta, and here I am writing the Later this one also sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Of course, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, which are useful to calculate this sum. Now, take LHS. Sin power 4 pi by 8 plus this can be written as sin power 4 pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Here rough hand. Pi by 2 minus pi by 8 becomes. So what it happens? Take LCM here 8. 2 will be dividing 4 times. This is 4 pi minus 5. So 3 pi by 8. So 3 pi by 8 converted as pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Next this one. Next take this one. Pi by 2 plus pi by 8. Implement writing as pi by 2 plus pi by 2 plus pi by 8. I am writing LCM is 8. 2 will be dividing 4. 4 times 4 pi plus 5. So 5 pi by 8. These are rough calculations. Of course, conversion method. Now 5 pi by 8 I am writing as sin power 4 pi by 2 plus pi by 8. Plus this can be understood as sin power 4 pi minus pi by 8. Pi minus pi by 8. Sin power 4 180 minus theta I written here. Pi minus pi by 8, why did you write, sir? You can ask. By taking LCM, 8 pi minus pi becomes 7 pi. 7 pi 8 simply have converted like this. Why you are converting like this, sir? We should get answer only numerical, not in terms of sign. So, from unknown concept to known concept, you should convert the values. That is equal to. Now, you can write here sin power 4 pi by 8, simply leave it. Next, sin 1x, sin 90 minus theta, I said here cos theta. So, sin power 4 pi by 8 plus this is cos power 4 pi by 8. Next formula also we know that sin 90 plus theta, that one also I am writing. The formula sin 90 plus theta also cos theta according to second quadrant and 90 concept. Now you can write this one as cos power 4 pi by 8 plus pi meaning itself is 180 degrees, pi by 2 meaning 90 degrees. That is why I am saying he is saying here that pi minus pi by 8 becomes sin 180 minus theta. Of course it is sin theta. So sin power 4 pi by 8, right? That is equal to, observing, this is 1 and this is 1. So this is 2 sin power 4 pi by 8. 2 sin power 4 pi by 8. And you can observe here, this is cos power 4 pi by 8, this is cos power 4 pi by 8. This is also, you can understand, 2 cos power 4 pi by 8. You can take 2 common. Whenever you are taking 2 common, here you can write sin power 4 within the brackets 2 into sin power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 pi by 8. That is equal to, next step I am writing as sin power 4 can be written as, this is sin square pi by 8 whole square. Sin square pi by 8 whole square plus cos square pi by 8 whole square. Sin square pi by 8 whole square plus cos square pi by 8 whole square. Here I am making you to remembering the formula that a square plus b square can be written as an algebraic concept a plus b whole square minus 2ab. If you are having any doubt, simply explain. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2ab, that cancels here. A plus a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now convert this one as 2 into, this is sin square pi by 8. Sin square pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 8. Total whole square This is A and this is B comes. Let this is A and this is B. So formula A plus B whole square minus 2AB. Now you write here 2 into like this sin square pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 8 whole square minus 2 sin square pi by 8 cos square pi by 8. That's all. Next step you can write as 2 into, of course everyone knows that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You can understand here 1 square minus simply leave it 2 sin square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8. That is equal to multiply here 2 into 1 square meaning 1, 2 into 1 becomes 2 minus 2 2s are 4 sin square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8. 4 sin square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 2 minus. Try to understand that step as 2 sin pi by 8 cos pi by 8 total 4 square. Because here 2 square means 4 sin pi by 2 square sin square pi by 2 cos pi by 2 square cos square pi by 2. Try to understand the formula that 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. I said in terms of A, I think 2 sin A cos A is equal to sin 2A, that is equal to 2 minus. Now you can write this one as sin 2 pi by 8 because this is A, this is A. 2 sin A cos A formula sin 2A. So sin 2 into pi by 8. Total here whole square. This 2 will be dividing as 4 times. So that is equal to 2 minus sin square 45 degrees. 45 meaning sin 45 meaning 1 by root 2 the value. 1 by root 2 whole square, that is equal to 2 minus 1 by 2. Put by 1 here, take an LCM. This is 2, 2 is 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3 by 2. This is RHS. Student, this is most IMP 4 marks or 7 marks. 4 marks or 7 marks IMP question. Sin power 4 pi by 8 plus sin power 4 3 by 8 plus sin power 4 5 by 8 plus sin power 4 7 by 8 is equal to 3 by 2. So what is the reason here means simply conversion. First one no need to change, second one 3 by 8 change it as pi by 2 minus pi by 8 and 5 by 8 change it as pi by 2 plus pi by 8 and this one as pi minus pi by 8. Remaining everything you can understand using the algebraic formula conversion. Now let us going to discuss the 16th question. Example 16 in the same page, page number 270. Page 270, example 16. If none of 2a and 3 are odd multiple, for every tan, we used to say like this. Because tan 90 is infinity, we should not say infinity data. If none of 2a and 3a, none of 2a and 3a is an odd multiple, is an odd multiple of pi by 2, then prove that tan 3a, tan 2a, tan a, tan 3a, tan 2a, tan a is equal to tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan a. Tan 3a, tan 2a, tan a is equal to tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan a. Now, let, here there is no LHS RHS concept. We should consider the value in terms of tan, we should convert the value and get the total sum from LHS to RHS. Here let means, I mean consider tan 3a, tan 3a can be considered as tan of 2a plus a. I said the formula tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Now here tan a plus tan b can be written as tan 2a plus tan a whole by 1 minus tan 2a tan. Tan of 2a plus a is equal to tan 2a plus tan a by 1 minus tan 2a. Whatever the value we have considered, write that from the template tan 3a is equal to this one tan 2a plus tan a whole by 1 minus tan 2a into tan a. 1 minus tan 2a into tan. Put by 1 here and take cross multiplication. So tan 3a into 1 minus tan 2a into tan a is equal to here tan 2a plus tan a. That implies multiply now tan 3a into 1 tan 3a minus in order, in decreasing order I am writing as the multiplication tan 3a into tan 2a into tan a. That is equal to here we got tan 2a plus tan a. That tan 2a plus tan a taken left side, it becomes tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan a. Tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan a. This minus taken right side, it becomes positive. So it is tan 3a into tan a into tan 3a into tan 2a into tan a. So total examples we have completed. Before going to exercise 6D, we have completed all examples, each and every example I said with you, and I given homework. Just now, little sums are there, 2 sums. Depends upon the formula, whatever multiple submultiple angles concept we have discussed previously. Depends upon that one. I am going to discuss with you that exercise 6D, Roman number 1, only 1 sum. 2 sums are there. Today, only 2 sums we can discuss. Exercise 6D in mathematics 1A textbook, exercise 6D, page number 271. Page number 271, Roman number 1, first sum is there. Simplify. The concept is simplify. Simplify the given sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Of course, you can do homework. Sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. If you know the formulas properly, you can do the sum. Sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta cos theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta formula 2 cos square theta. 2 get cancelled, cos square get cancelled. Simply we got this one as sin theta by cos theta. Everyone know that fundamental formula sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Second one, the last question, 3 cos theta. This is also simplification is asking 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta. 3 cos theta plus cos theta whole by 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. Here you need to remember the 3a formula. I said the 3a formula as cos 3 theta formula 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Proofs also I said students depends upon multiple angles concept. 3a formula separately we have discussed in 2 days back class. Now this is 3 sin theta minus, put a bracket here. Sin theta formula 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. That is equal to, of course here 3 cos theta get cancelled. 4 cos cube theta we have in numerator. In denominator 3 sin theta minus 3 sin theta. Minus of minus becomes plus. This is 4 sine cube theta. 3 sine theta, 3 sine theta get cancelled. So here 4 cos cube theta in denominator and 4 sine cube theta in 4 cos cube theta in numerator and 4 sine cube theta in denominator we got. 4 and 4 get cancelled. Cos theta by sin theta becomes cot theta. So it is cot cube theta. That's all. Okay, students. Exercise 60 we have started. Whatever the sums are useful in IMP and what is the concept and formula needed for exercise 60, everything we have completed. Let us going to discuss remaining sums in exercise 60 in next class.